Sunny on County Line Road, probably in the westbound zone.
Yeah, I was just thinking.
Number 6, we'll be notifying about the County Road.
I'll just follow you.
I'm 9 to headquarters.
Yeah, stop up there and call. I got
Street stuff. That's just right now.
I had a bull earlier, but that is 5.
You want 38? We'll be notifying our highway department. Prospect between Kent and Hancock is going to be shut down here in both directions for flooding. 5138, okay.
4927 and 28 on location.
4927, okay.
P23, that's unknown. He received a call. He received a call, I guess, from the ex-wife's mother.
No, I believe they'll be able to get through. 5138, okay.
Yeah, everything's going to Quint. They want to see Delta in front of the entrance.
County Boutique 100, 100 is available. 5000 successful.
If there's still someone in the house, can you please send us 51 unit?
4927, okay. 51 unit, copy direct. 5134, repeat that. 5134, 4927 is requesting one of your officers to respond to 410 School Street for an open.
Where do you live? Fleetwood or where are you?
Okay. 5138 can respond. 5138, they believe somebody's still in
I
there.
don't know. That's still my question for me.
38, I copied. I'm en route. 138, okay. There's someone in the house. Alright, Seb, you want to head up here and shut it down at Cricket and Finn? Like some sandbags they'll be out, so. 10 forward. Keep concerned about a fire hazard, the water reaches the electrical outlet. Check conditions there, let us know when you contact someone. Point portable, okay, just point down portable. Follow me over there. I'm going to set steps all the way up the steep wall in the back. Come down. Alright, that's on step 2. It says restricted, do not enter. Received, I can hear movement upstairs. I'm going to open the front door for you. 43. 5143. If you would, should be the 49 car. 49. 146.
And for that medical, if you just verify that they're calling from the Philadelphia side, not that they got a 301 from our side messed up at that apartment complex.
We're talking to the call taker right now. 7 cars, 5 cars being dispatched for an electrical fire outside Fulmer and Warminster Road. Retrieve the wires.
3750, okay.
Okay, 3750, 3504.
35F1.
35S1 and 911 hang up. Schwartz residence, 15 South Warminster Road, apartment B Bravo. Had no voice contact. We show no residence, no priors at the residence.
35F1, okay.
Okay, 35S1.
35S4, okay.
Okay, 35S4.
Negative, just the homeowner.
Reaching the burglar alarm now. The employee entry infrared was first floor rear front of the basement. We're still trying to make notifications of emergency contact list. It's okay, that's Jonathan. Thanks for working on it.
35S4.
35S4.
Regarding your 911 hang-up at Warminster Avenue, this is going to be a second call for an electrical fire outside. We're going to be in the cul-de-sac further down Warminster Road.
35S4, okay?
Okay, 35S4, 2546.
146 calling.
Something to just do is keep you informed that medical call was verified until the car was transferred. We're going to close that for your son.
Thank you, Johnny. S3, roadway's closed. You can clear both hands.
25S3, okay.
3750.
3750.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
I like him. Oh shit.
I guess the one that stayed, the 911 hang up from the morning. What are they, on penny pads or something?
We have one reporting. It looks like it might be the same. I'm looking at the map, thinking it can possibly be. They'll be checking down their side as well.
I got nothing at Warminster and Chelsea. I'm going in there on the penny pack. There's wires that are going to spark and crash.
They're reported to be sparking blue. A second call for Warminster in New York, which is going to be related to the same one that 35S4 is responding to now.
I'll take that. We're in that area.
Okay, it looks like fireboard is already linked. It'll be a duplicate. Try and verify that with them now.
Ford S15 or Ford S13. You guys